Hi, in this video I want to talk about how to connect to a virtual machine and then from that virtual machine have it connect to a virtual private network and at the same time not lose connectivity to that virtual machine. So for whatever reason you may have a remote VM that needs to connect to a VPN, whether you're doing development on that or whatever, but then when you connect that VM onto the VPN, you'll lose connectivity because you're on different networks. So a simple solution is just to connect your local VPN to the same network that the virtual machine's connected to, and then you'll be able to connect to the VM. So I just wanted to show a quick example of that. Let me connect to the VM. Here I'm connected to my VM, my remote VM, and what I'm going to do is go ahead and connect the VPN. And once I connect this VPN, I'll lose connectivity to my virtual machine. Okay, so it just completed the connection, and so you can see I can't move anything. I've just completely lost connectivity to my VM. So what I'll do is I'll go to my local machine and I'll connect to the same VPN. And you can see it's trying to reconnect. But so now, well, actually, before I connect that, let me just show you uh, just to verify that I cannot connect to that same VPN. So let's try to connect to that VPN. I'm sorry, the VM. The VPN's not connected now. I should get an error message here. Okay, cannot connect. So let's connect that VPN. So now we're putting my local machine on the same network as the virtual machine. And let's go back and try to connect to that VM. Okay. I'm connected back to the VM because they're both on the same VPN network. So just a little trick if you use VMs a lot and they need to connect to VPNs. So thank you.